Guys, this is my favorite step 4, the website builder training. You do have to be a paying member at $125 a month to have access to this, but let's go ahead and drive into the drag and drop editor again. If you go up here in the top right corner, you'll see sales web page right underneath the capture page that we already taught you on how to use. Go to sales web page editor. At this time, you should have a capture page leading into the sales web page. That way you make sure that you're getting the maximum benefit of the services here. If you don't have the person's information, you shouldn't be sending them to a website because they're just going to bounce off and you don't have their information. So always be collecting their information before you send them to a website like this. First, what you're going to want to do when you get in here is you just use these widgets on the top of the screen. I'm going to pull down the first step here. There's a widget that goes ahead and gives me the availability to add logos and links at the top of the page. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add a video to my page. That's the next thing that I want. The next thing that I want to add to my page is maybe I want to add the action steps. So I'll go ahead and just pull down some action steps here. Just call to actions that gets people to click on. It takes them to the offer, whatever it is that they're going to buy. Also, if you want more than one offer, you can do 2 offers or 3 or 4 offers. Let's just say we do 3 offers, and then each button can have its own unique link to go wherever you so choose. So if you look here, see how there's 3 offer buttons, and you can also click on these offer buttons, and you can upload, your own buttons that you so choose, from your computer. So you have your own design. They can say step 1, 2, 3, and so on. Or it can, if you're selling a product, it can be, buy product 1, bought product 2, product 3. If you're selling houses, it could be house 1, 2, and 3. I mean, there's just so many different things that you can do. Some of the other cool things as well, you can add a footer to the bottom of your page. That's just where your copyright goes at the bottom of the page. You can add that. The other thing that you can add is maybe your social media icons, which is really cool. So you can add like your Facebook, your Twitter, your Google+. There's other links that you can add as well. We'll get to that in a second. But what I want to share with you guys is there's an image slider that's really cool. Let's go grab this image slider here, and let's just say we want to put that right there. What it is it's just you can add multiple images here, and it just kind of flickers through the images every so many seconds. So that's a widget you can add. You can add it to the top of the page. You can add it to the middle of the page. It doesn't matter. And also you can turn it into clickable so that when they click on this, it goes to different areas. And if you click on the pencil here, you can actually say I want to add 5 pictures, and I want to add text into it as well. And if I save my stuff here, you can see how there's text on it. And I've added multiple, different ones to it. So there's multiple different deals. Also, what you can do is, if you have a product that you're trying to sell and you have multiple prices that you want to display, you say, hey, I got this product for $10. I got this product for $100. I got this one for $1,000. I got this one for $2,000, or whatever. You can rename the packages by clicking on. You can change all the text and what they're buying or getting. You can do some really cool things with the colors. You can just kind of change up the package colors here really quick, and you can just drag over and change all the colors. You can easily change the text. You can change the purchase buttons down towards the bottom. But the other cool thing is too, like on these videos that you might set up, you don't have to use these videos that we already have in here. You can actually go to any YouTube video or Vimeo video that you've built, and just go on over to YouTube and grab a video. Okay, so let's say I go to this video here. What I would do is on the top of the page, I just grab the link URL. Don't have to be developed or anything. No code needed. Just grab the link URL. Come back over here and select the pencil and say I got a YouTube video here, and I want this video to be played on my page. I want a colored selection in the background, and save. You guys can see that once I've done that, the video has been updated pretty easily there. And then also, if you want to make it, the design color different, you can change the background as well. So you guys can kind of see how this page is kind of coming along. I built this page pretty quick. Now down here we got Facebook, Twitter, Google+, and LinkedIn. But if you want, you can click on the pencil here, and you can say, hey, I want those icons to be a little bit larger. And then I also want to add Pinterest, and I want to add YouTube. I want to add my Instagram. And then what you can do for each one, you just go ahead and put the redirect link. So when someone clicks on it, where do you want them to go? For instance, my Facebook, as you can see that I'm typing in right here, I went ahead and typed in my Facebook information and I click save, you guys will see that I added quite a few different ones, and I added my Facebook as well. So you'll want to, just add your own stuff in there. There's a bunch more widgets up here you guys can use. We'll go into the training a little bit further once you guys do take action and you're paying that $125 a month. So now you guys can build as many of these sales pages. Now the web hosting is also included in your $125 a month. So go ahead and upgrade as soon as you guys can. If you do pay the $125, everything's included in the site. You'll have your $25 payment for your social media, and then you'll have your $125 a month for your software. Now, if this is your first time here on our site, and you don't already have the $25 a month, if you do buy the $125, I'll go ahead and include the $25 social media software for you at no additional monthly cost, which saves you about $300 a month. So, hey guys, I hope you guys take advantage of this and click the link below and unlock that $125 a month. Gets you access to everything inside the site. Look at this, guys. I can just click on this logo thing right here. It's super simple. You can upload your own logos. And, we can go on and on. I can show you guys more really cool stuff that you can do with this. But hopefully you guys just go ahead and dive in and start building your own pages. I've built quite a few pages with this thing. It's a lot of fun. You guys will have a lot of fun. All the training, once you upgrade, will be there for you. And also one thing before we get out of here, I want to show you guys this website we just built. It's fully responsive. So like if I grab it right here and go like this, see how it stacked everything up on top of each other? So it doesn't matter what devices you build these pages out, they're going to work on all devices for you. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching this video. Once you do upgrade below this, you'll see a full library of training on how to build these pages more advanced. Look forward to see you guys in the next training modules. Thanks and have an awesome day. Bye-bye.